In the last video, we packaged up the writing of one of the faces, or one of these triangles, a face T, in the STL file. We packaged it up as a function. Now, we'd like to improve on this a little bit. Last time I showed you that one way we could handle this was to pass the address of the output file stream my file, which would need to have been created, and we're giving it some name, I don't know. Okay, the triangle.cpp is the file name. My file is the name of the output file stream. So we could pass the address of my file to the function writeFaceT, and that would let us modify that inside the function. Okay, but there's another way we could do it. This is maybe a easier way for you. Maybe we don't want to. Maybe we create this output file stream outside of the main program and outside of our function. We declare it as a global variable. So we'll do this statement, output file stream, and you can even call the constructor outside of the main program and outside of your functions. So if I declare the variable my file outside of the main program, so outside of this main, these set of parentheses here, then the variable my file is accessible and can be used anywhere in any of the functions also defined in this program. So I don't need, in fact, I need to not have the star. I'm now using the variable my file as if it was created right inside this function. Okay, so this would now work. This is maybe a little bit easier because you don't have to pass an address of an output file stream as an input to the writeFaceT function. So, okay, one last change we have to make. We have to recognize that our writeFaceT function is no longer taking any inputs. So when we use that down in the main program, we don't need to give it any inputs.